The Japanese bridge here in Hoi An is an iconic structure, and you can find the photo of this bridge on the 2 lakh rupees note. It's been like more than 6-7 days since I had Indian food, so it was automatically like a double tick from my end. So hello and welcome back to the channel. Right now I am in Hoi An, Vietnam, and in this video I am going to be covering the ancient city of Hoi An, which is one of the most popular places and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Vietnam. But before going to the city, let me take you to a beautiful place which you should definitely visit when you are coming to Hoi An, which is the Coconut Forest. And it's almost around 20 minutes from the main city, and if you are coming from Da Nang, it will take you almost around 30 minutes time to reach. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. And if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Come on. So okay, this is the Coconut Forest area, as you can see. Ba Lao Coconut Forest. Okay, so right over here is the entry gate. It's beautifully decorated, as you can see. This is Ba Lao Coconut, right?
Very
yeah.
good.
Okay. So we are going inside this beautiful place right now. As you can see, the decorations here is absolutely beautiful. And a lot of tourists come here to visit and enjoy a beautiful boat ride here at the Coconut Forest. We are going in right now, and you can see there are a lot of people enjoying, dancing around. And this is where the boat ride starts. And there is a ticket. You have to take the ticket for you. And after collecting the tickets, we will be starting our boat ride just from this place only. Okay, right now we are going inside this beautiful boat right here. And this is going to be exciting.
ধরে থাকে ধরে বসতে হবে নালে কিন্তু ছিটকে পড়ে যাবে নিচে এই যে
The coconut boat ride here in Hoi An is one of the biggest attractions, and you can also do something like this in Mekong Delta. But the biggest difference between the one which we'll be doing there and here is that the water is much more cleaner here, and secondly the rush is much more lesser than what you will be getting in the Mekong Delta. So if you want to feel the vibe, if you want to feel this beautiful river and also the boat ride, then I will definitely suggest go for the coconut boat ride. And this one is absolutely beautiful, that I can guarantee. So right now we are going inside this beautiful forest here, and this is going to be lovely. As you can see, they are actually starting to roll the boats, which is one of the most unique things that is done here in this beautiful country. So do watch the full video, because this is going to be the exciting part, I promise you this. So they have given us these beautiful hats to wear. These are authentic Vietnamese hats, and trust me, I hope I look better on this one than what I wear normally.
করছে আমাদের।
The vibe here is absolutely amazing, and this is something, as I've already told you, you should not miss on your trip to Hoi An and in Vietnam. So the boat ride here in the coconut forest is a must-do thing here in Hoi An and also in Vietnam. This beautiful 40 minutes thriller has costed us 3 lakh Vietnamese dong, which is almost around 1050 Indian rupees. And trust me, this is something, what I've already told you, is not to be missed. You can do this boat ride on Mekong Delta also and on Hoi An also. But don't miss this one, because this is something which is authentic here in the country, which you will not be getting anywhere else in the world. So right now we are inside the ancient city of Hoi An, and we will be covering some of the most important places to visit here in this beautiful place. So come on, let's explore.
Here.
Yes,
Zaban Rich.
Yes.
Zaban Rai. Rai. Zaban Rai.
So we have finally reached the ancient city of Hoi An, and this place is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you around and also show you the beautiful bridge and also the famous Japanese bridge. So come on, let's explore Hoi An.
তো আমরা এখন চলে এসেছি কিন্তু Hoi An বলছি। তো আমরা চলে এসেছি কোকোনাট ফরেস্ট, এখান থেকে আমরা
So Hoi An actually was the place from where the trading used to happen back in the days, and this is one of the place which was actually booming during the time when this trading used to happen. But right now this is a laid back area where people come to enjoy, relax a few days and see the nearby places, just like the Japanese beach, which I'm going to show you, and also have a beer or maybe some coffee, the egg coffee, the famous egg coffee here, and enjoy some quality time with their friends and family. So just beside this bridge you can see there is a beautiful park to actually sit and enjoy some beautiful activities. This place is actually made as a square kind of a thing where people can come enjoy and relax. And right over here, just showing you in a few seconds, is the place where we have parked our car, which is right there. And the road right here is quite big, so this is the place where people turns up every evening. The vibe in Hoi An in the evening is very different than what it is in the afternoon and morning. So I have made a dedicated video on how Hoi An looks like in the evening, so don't forget to check that out. The vibe here at Hoi An is so very beautiful, and it reminds me of Malacca when I visited 2 years back. It's almost like the same, but the lanterns are the most unique thing that you will be getting here in Vietnam, and I will be showing you some of them in this video itself. Right on the boats you can see these lanterns. They just turn on the lights while they are going to take you on a boat ride during the time of evening, and it looks amazing. So right now we'll be showing you the very famous Japanese bridge here at Hoi An. So just right beside this river you can see there is a lane kind of a thing which is going in, and this goes in towards the Japanese bridge, which is under reconstruction right now because it's very old. So let's go, and I'm going to show you how beautiful the Japanese bridge here in Hoi An is. So this you can see, they are trying to keep this bridge preserved and trying their level best to reconstruct the places which are getting broken. The Japanese bridge here in Hoi An is an iconic structure, and you can find the photo of this bridge on the 2 lakh rupees note or the 200,000 Vietnamese dong note. You can see right there, these are the old buildings which are actually colored in yellow color, and they are trying to keep the vibe of these places active for tourists and trying to keep these buildings intact. So these are the kind of buildings which you will be finding a lot when you are coming to the riverside here at Hoi An. So there are some more activities which you can do here, just like you can cycle around the entire city and also take a bike if you want. Along with that, you can go to the Hoi An Museum, which is also one of the beautiful places that you can visit. But as because we are doing a day trip to Hoi An from Da Nang, we will be actually spending the evening right over here without visiting the museum. So you can do that always when you are coming down. And let me just tell you this, that there are a lot of hotels and restaurants where you can come, stay and enjoy. So just 2 minutes from the beautiful Hoi An river is this place, South Indian restaurant, where we will be trying out some beautiful buffet. Let me just cross the road. So this is the place from where we will be having our lunch buffet, and I'll be showing you what they are providing today. Let's go. So let me just show you what they're providing here for the buffet. This section is actually the veg section, where they are providing rice, roti, paneer, dal, and along with this they are providing some rice with some fruits. And over here is the non-veg section, where they are providing chicken curry and chicken chili, chicken curry. So this is what we are getting to eat at this beautiful hotel Sat, which is located in Hoi An. So right now we are trying out the veg items first. This is dal with some veggies and paneer, and it's actually good. The taste is very nice and the fries are really tasty, and it's feeling very good to have some Indian food after a very long time, because we have been here for almost a week and this is the first time we are trying out Indian food. So kudos to the place, and the food is very nice. So we have just had food from the South Indian restaurant, and the food was really tasty, and it's been like more than 6-7 days since I had Indian food, so it was automatically like a double tick from my end. So if if you're coming to Hoi An, do try out this particular restaurant, which is that 2 minutes away from the riverside. And if you need to contact this person, if you need his contact, then you can definitely text me down in the comment section below. I will forward his contact so that you can connect with this person before coming to this hotel. So right now I'm going to end this video here. I hope you have loved this video of Hoi An. On the next video I'll be showing you how Hoi An looks like in the evening, so don't miss that, because that is going to be very different from what you have seen today. So if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye, take care.